birthday,
Yeah,
Cassie.
cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Cassie.
That was so
I haven't opened
What the? Cassie!
I spilled so much.
Woo! Happy birthday, Cassie! Woo! Happy birthday, Massey. Mike brought his dirt bike along, and we're trying to
poop on it, dude. Look at this thing. It's also not running right. It's an elevation. Don't buy a pit bike and bring it up like 7,000 feet in elevation because shit just won't fucking start 1,000 cranks later.
But yeah, Mike's pretty much just trying to get it started,
So this should
warming up.
increase the fuel.
And that's the problem. We got Lauren in the cut.
I slept like a baby. My sleeping bag was so nice and warm.
That was great.
Baby, how'd you sleep?
Honestly, like an angel.
It's raining now.
Yeah, it's like actually raining.
At least we got the fire started already. That's good. But now all of our wood is gonna be soaked. Oh well. Check out the water like rolling off of that tent.
Okay, boys, so me and Mike are just exploring the woods right now, and I'm watching Mike just hit this jump, and next thing I know, I don't see Mike at all, and this is what fucking happened. Yo!
My balls hurt really bad.
Are you sure you're good, bro?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Oh my god, Mike literally yeeted from like here off into there. That was fucking like, that's gnarly. Oh, that's so fucked.
I think I'm fine though, honestly. Like, oh fuck, dude, my balls hurt so bad. Look out where you're fucking going.
Yeah, don't just hit a jump. he hit like a 10-foot jump.
Oh, bro.
God damn, bro.
We're brushing our teeth because my breath smells so bad.
I'm brushing
the
my teeth because
toothpaste.
I like to.
Okay.
Toothbrushing time. Our attempts so far in starting a fire have been mostly unsuccessful, but we're not gonna give up.
Patty, you're doing a great job. I see a flame. All right, guys, so we're having all out warfare. God damn it, we're gonna have to clean all of these up now. Yo, Mike, what are you eating? McMuffin?
Bacon, egg, cheese.
That thing looks fire.
It's alright. I didn't have my proper setup. I'll tell you the proper
Whose
setup
idea
I
was
would have
this?
cooked if I was alone out here, but we got too many cooks in the kitchen.
Oh.
So first, start with the fire. You get a nice bed of coals going. You get fresh logs. You get one up front where you're actually going to be cooking on top of, where you're resting the stove. You got 2 logs sideways, so they kind of are angled like this. Then you put a log on top of that to trap all that heat in there. You put your thing on, you start cooking that shit. There you go.
Shit. This is the aftermath of what me and Patty just did to Zach.
Alright, we'll bust out the broom and dustpan, get it cleaned up real quick.
Did someone bring a broom and dustpan?
Cassie, how was your night?
Pretty good. I fell asleep early. Well, compared to you guys. I went to bed at like 1, but I guess y'all stayed up.
Is that your breakfast, Lauren?
Yeah. Breakfast of champs.
Oh my god, Max.
Okay, I don't feel bad about getting fucked up.
Oh.
Just hits different out here.
Don't fuck it up. Oh.
Pants. No, bestie. Where'd you get those pants? Wait, are those all the fucking cuffs you got? Are they both?
Did anyone think about that until just now?
When we were sitting playing the card game, you said stacks. I said, do we even have balls? And nobody said.
And then Max
anything, 'cause
checked
there's like 12
his pants.
people
He's like, yeah, I still got them.
Remember, like, going to the carnival as a kid and there's that
Juicy
like, pirate ship ride?
Oh, yeah,
That's what this
yeah,
shit reminds me of
yeah,
right here.
What's going on? This is the Sunday Brojitos. We're back at it again with another camping video. You guys already know that. This is like the second day in.
Goldfish are essential while camping.
Switch whoever.
Hey, Zach.
What's up, boy? I got dirt on my face. Ah!
Stop wasting them. A little pinch. Oh, hey.
Told you it's
Just having
essential.
the snack that smiles back. Or Tyler hit the net and then I hit it. I shouldn't have hit
You
it.
shouldn't have hit it. You should have made me get it.
Right.
And then we all figured out how to play the game. And
Whose
then we played and had
responsibility is it now,
so
though?
much fun.
'Cause I hit it.
Because you hit it. So we have to return if you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Lauren, if you could give the world one survival tip, what would it be?
Survival tip, like for the wilderness or just for life?
Any survival tip. I
Always
guess for the
have your nails
wilderness.
done because it makes you feel better, and when you feel better, it's easier to survive.
Sarah, one survival tip.
Don't trust anyone but yourself.
Dang. Emily, one survival tip.
Be friends with the strongest person.
One survival tip.
Don't eat the brookie.
Don't eat the brookie.
That was a hot take. That was just like the first thing that came to my mind.
Carson, one survival tip for the world.
Less you eat, less you poop.
What's one survival tip for the world?
The main survival tip that everyone should know is to not succumb to the Hat Man's tricks, because when you see him out in the woods and he tries to lure you in with sweets and goodies, then
You talking about nerds right now?
you gotta steer clear of him.
Rory, one survival tip for the world, what would it be?
Don't eat one of the Hat Man's gummies like I just did.
Patty, one survival tip for the world.
Learn how to make a fire.
If you could give one survival tip to the world, what would it be?
Don't start drinking at 8 in the morning. That's mine. I have a
Okay.
headache.
Max, if you could give one survival tip to the world, what would it be?
Eat food and drink water.
Hey Zach, if you could give one survival tip to the world, what would it be? Alright, thank you for your time.
My one survival tip would to be don't shit your pants before you go to bed. Just makes the night very bad afterwards.
Update us on what's going down. Is the campground getting packed up a little
Yeah,
bit?
people were packing stuff up, you know. Zach's apparently still in bed. Get him out.
Get them out?
I gotta pack that up.
Okay.
Get him out.
Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare! Nightmare! Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare!
I don't know if I'm
Sleeping
doing this
bag.
right. This is my first sleeping bag.
Yo, Zach. What are you doing out here? You good, bro? Were you out here all night? Dude, what is this guy doing?
Oh,
I
yeah.
think he slept like that, boys. I don't know.
Yo, were you cold? Dude, just like sucks in there. Dude, I feel that so hard. Like,
Max, let's go. Max, let's go. Yeah, we're like nearly fresh out.
all right. So what's going on?
You're out of gas,
Out of gas.
I believe.
Hell yeah. Dude, that thing's fucking burning dosh. I think I found the spot. Boys, we forgot the straps. Peyton's running to get it. We gotta save Mike and Max.
It is raining so hard, but we gotta save the boys.
Here to the rescue. Let's get it.
Where's the kickstand? So
We got the
kickstand's over there,
straps.
you gotta swing the back.
That's gonna end off today's video. We had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Happy freaking birthday, Cassie. We had a blast out here. We hope you guys enjoyed watching. New videos every Sunday, 1 p.m. You guys already know the deal, so just stay tuned. Catch you guys next week.
Doses.